That's what I was talking about.
That noise?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna pick it up on the camera.
Try holding outside the window a little bit.
Hold it outside of the window? I love the fact that since it's out the window, I have a huge death grip on it because I'm not dropping this. So is it only when you turn?
Or when I turn left. When I towards this.
Probably a bit bulging.